Hello, this is Dan Alford with Arc Specialties. Got a little something different for you today. We're going outside. People have asked us if we could send the robot to the field to weld up earth moving equipment, so we're doing just that. So what we have here is a bucket that's worn. We want to overlay this wear plate with a hard metal. To do this, we have to write the program. We could do this with teach and repeat techniques, but in this case, since the wear plates are very consistent, what we've decided to do is use an offline programming system. We're using Octopus to generate this program. You can see the robot in the lower left-hand corner, which is the simulation. We actually generated the robot code using this system, greatly simplifying the pattern. Just another programming technique that we wanted to demonstrate. So when you go to the field, you have a problem with wind. So what we're welding with here is a bowler wire. It's a gasless, self-shielded, hard-facing wire that does a great job on these buckets. So after we generate the program using Octopus offline programming software, we simply have to align the robot to a couple of points on the part. And as long as the parts are relatively consistent, then we can make these welds. This is a great application for a cobot because these parts are simply too big to take out of the field, bring back to the factory to hard face. It's just not worth the effort. It's not economically feasible. But if you have a cobot that's small enough and light enough to go to the field, then all of a sudden a project like this becomes a good automation candidate. We chose to weld this one in the flat position because we could, and we're having to use a wire that is capable of welding in the flat. But the robot can weld vertical, overhead, any position that the wire can handle. So you can see this pattern. First thing we're doing is we're running around the perimeter of the part, and then we're putting in a traditional hot crosshatch pattern. This is how most people will hard face earth moving equipment, because in between the crosshatches, the theory is you'll collect gravel and such, and that adds to your wear resistance. So it's a pretty simple pattern, but we just wanted to program offline to demonstrate the process. Here's the final part. It's pretty good looking. Hey, we'd like to thank all our partners in this project: Miller Welding, Universal Robots, Octopus, Profax Torches, and Bowler Welding Wire. Arc Specialties thrives on problems. Bring us yours.